fish too. It's acting like a nice one. It's probably not a bass. It's like a big fish.
Staying down there.
I mean, it feels like a big fish. Here, I don't know what it is though. Big gar or something. It's not jumping like a bass though. Man, it's acting like a darn.
Taking you for a ride there. You see him?
I don't know, I just see the bubbles coming up. I have a feeling that's a gator. He's not coming up. I'm just making his bubbles come up. I don't want to leak down there.
Yeah, definitely. That's wild.
The leader's right there.
Oh, that's a fish. Holy shit. Holy moly. I was just asking what your biggest. That's a big fish. Holy cow. Jeez, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, and it's not even as big as I would have thought. I don't know how she was putting that much torque on me.
Holy cow. Nice fish.
Jeez. Yeah, she swallowed it. That's why she's bleeding. I mean, she did not act like a bass.
Yeah, usually I'd be jumping out of the water, right?
Mm-hmm. It shows you how the big ones live right there, you know?
Wow.
No bite. It just, when I picked up, that thing was just swimming off. Boy, I got to let her go.
Yeah, it's got a good. That'd be about 3 or 4 pounds, right?
Oh, yeah, easy 4 pounds. My goodness, she felt like she was. I would have bet money that was a gator. Now she bled everywhere.